Move on when you move on, yeah.
Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm basically just giving you guys the rundown on how I got these super long distressed faux locks. Before I get into like the actual process of me doing it, this is just a disclaimer. Before you do any protective style, it's really important that you properly prepare your hair. Like you do a deep conditioner treatment or protein treatment, hot oil treatment, whatever you want to do, just to get like nourishment and stuff into your hair. Make sure your ends are trimmed and make sure you moisturize your hair like right before you put it in, because it's a protective style. So you want to like put as much nutrients into your hair as you can and then protect it basically. So what I did for my deep conditioner treatment, I used a generic coconut conditioner. I used olive oil, I use organic honey, and I use some aloe vera from my lovely plant back here. And then I trim my ends, of course, and then when sectioning my hair and getting it ready, I use raw shea butter, and then I used some olive oil just to seal that in. And okay, now we're getting into the hair. So the parts that I did, it was random parting. Like it wasn't triangle, it wasn't square, none of that. It was just random, which actually adds to the look because you want a distressed look. You don't want it to look perfect or any of that stuff. So yeah, that's what I did. I did random parting, and then I just braided my hair a little bit. It's not necessary to braid it all the way to the bottom. That's actually doing too much. You don't need to do that. Yeah, but I'm gonna just show you a close-up of like the type of parting that I did. Just wanted to braids the parts like it's no shape. It's not a shape. I don't know what that is. It's random. It's fine. It's perfect. That's the look we're going for. So yeah, that's that. The hair I used is the Caribbean Afro Twist. The hair is like extra long. It's like 40 inches long, which is perfect because that's what I want. The hair I'm using, it was used for another hairstyle, but the basic overall curl and the way the hair is, it's pretty much the same as when you first get it. The packs, oh geez, I wish I remembered how many packs. It has to be, I would say 7 to 9 packs. 7 to 9 packs. So somewhere in between. My hair is pretty thick, so it just depends on the thickness of your hair, but 7 to 9 should be good for whatever. Okay, but to start off, the hair comes in strands, so you'll know what I'm talking about if you actually go and you get it and see it for yourself. But yeah, it comes in strands. Right now I'm using, if you can see, 2 strands. And I want my hair pretty long, so longer than 40 inches. Yes please. So in order to achieve that, what I did was, this is the ends of the hair. Simply all I do is just pull one down further than the other, and then that's how I get it to the length that I want. Simple, easy. So to start off, I'm just taking my strand and I'm just doing a braid. So I take the 2 strands, place it over, so I have the 2 strands in my right and my actual hair in the left, and then you just simply begin braiding. I'm gonna do it slow. And you only need to braid until you reach the end of your hair. Anything more than that is unnecessary. Like, this is already a long process, like, in general. And you don't want to make it longer by doing stuff you don't need to do. So, I don't think I'm going slow. It's hard, but I'm gonna try to go slow for you guys. But yeah, so like I started this last night at like 10 or something, and then I was up till 5:30, and then I got up this morning to finish these last few. So yeah, it's long. You just need patience, skilled hands. So, you know. Now we have another 2 strands. I bring it out to its full length, and then I just do a little fold like so. I'm bringing it up to my braid, and I'm just going to show you how I place it on. So once it's like this, you just wrap the hair. I'm going to wrap it 2 times around the base. 3 times around the base. And then once you do that, you can start moving it down, and you're wrapping around that little folded piece of the strand, and then the rest of the other braid. And this is how you wrap it. You want to make sure it's close and tight. Another thing to keep in mind, that as you're doing this, you want to make sure that from time to time you just scrunch it up a little bit so that it remains tight and it doesn't unravel. Like, a little bit unraveling is okay, but you don't want it to like completely come apart. So I'm just gonna keep going. So now when I get close to the end, now it appears as if I have 3 strands, because these are the 2 that we've been wrapping it around, and then this is the wraparound. So basically I just take one from the base that we're wrapping around, and then I just continue to wrap it. But now at this point, when we have like this little bit, you flip it around and you start working your way back up. So you're doing the same twisting, but you're just doing it up the base instead of down the base. And then once you let go, it's going to unravel a little bit. But yeah, that's basically the twisty one. And then this is how your ends will look, because you let one of the strands be longer than the other. This is how your ends turn out looking, and then this is the rest of it. So yeah, that's basically the gist of how you get these these faux locks. You get these faux locks. Every single one of them comes out different, which just adds to it. So it's a really nice, cute style. I did also just want to let you all know that I am a self-taught practicing protective hairstylist. I'm located in Philly. You feel me? But yeah, if you're in need of like Marley twists, faux locks, box braids, bohemian twists, some slick back ponytails, whatever, I got you. Don't worry, I got you. But yeah, also make sure you follow my, somewhere over here, my hair page, support a sister, continue to watch my videos, comment, like, and subscribe. Ooh, something in my eye. comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos for y'all.